What's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Dykes with Renew Crew Softwash. Today we'll be going to Foxworth, Mississippi, and we have a large house wash, roof, and driveway cleaning that we will be doing. So we get an early start this morning. Should take us about 4 or 5 hours to do this job. It's about 5,100 square foot house, large 2-story home. So we'll have all hands on deck. We have Blake and Brett, and they'll both be helping me today. So come along for the ride. This will be a good one. Hey everybody, we just got back from doing this large house wash today. As you could tell, it was a rather large project. The roof cleaning and the house wash and the driveway cleaning. Didn't get as many camera angles as I wanted to. Homeowner was very pleased. We was pleased. Job turned out really, really good. So if you or yourself also has a similar project that you would like Renew Crew to come give you a free estimate on, we do rust removal, we do any kind of stain removals. We can get most grease out of concrete, anything like that that's a little bit out of your area of expertise. Give us a call, 601-248-9905. We'd be more than happy to come out and look at the project and give you a free estimate. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day, everybody.